Parents, are you tired of missing out on time with your kids? And have you been searching online for a way to make money online, but feel a little bit lost and don't know where to start? Today, I'm going to share with you the exact blueprint thousands of moms and dads in our community are following, and they're able to see results like these. But before we dive in, there is something important that you need to understand, which is digital marketing. You need to understand what is digital marketing, why it's a game changer, and how you can start making money from home using just your phone and Wi-Fi. So make sure you watch till the end because I have a special bonus that's going to put everything together for you so you can get started today. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Point number one, what is digital marketing? Let's just keep it simple. Digital marketing is just another fancy way of saying marketing online. It's basically how businesses are promoting their products and service using the internet. So think about it. How many times have you seen an ad on Facebook or Instagram or on YouTube? That is digital marketing in action. So instead of business relying on billboards or TV advertisement, they now use websites or social media or emails to reach more customers. And guess what? You don't need to own a business to get started with digital marketing. You just need the right system to plug in. Point number two. So why is digital marketing so powerful, especially for parents like us? The digital marketing allows you to work from home or anywhere as long as you have access to a Wi-Fi connection or the internet. Also, it has a very low startup cost. With the right system, you can start out with a very little upfront cost. And not only that, unlike regular jobs, you get a fixed paycheck. With digital marketing, it allows you to earn based on your result, meaning you can earn as much as you can. So imagine waking up to a notification while you're spending time with your kid. That is the power of digital marketing. In fact, right now, we have over 5 billion people who use the internet, and it's predicted that in the next couple of years, that number is going to triple. So that means not only you're going to have more exposure for your business, but your earnings is going to skyrocket. Now, before we go into point number three, if you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's dive into point number three. How can you make money with digital marketing? Here are three beginner-friendly ways. The first one is affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission from it. For example, if you recommend a baby product on Instagram and somebody clicks on it and buy it, you get a commission for it. The second one is selling digital product. You can create and sell things like ebooks, printable, or online courses. If you have a skill, whether it's cooking or organizing or parenting tips, you can actually package that knowledge and sell it online. And the third one is partnering up with a done-for-you system. If you don't want to create products yourself, you can plug into a proven system like the one I use that gives you a website, trainings, and products to sell so you can start earning faster. Now there you have it. Now that you know what digital marketing is, why it's the best way to make money online, and how to get started, what's stopping you? If you're serious about making money from home and finally having more time with your kid, click the link in the description below to learn how I got started and how you can too. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification so you don't miss my next video. See you on the next one.